In this video, you'll learn how to buy Pepe coin using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your purchase of this cryptocurrency. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type Trust Wallet extension and hit enter. This will direct you to the Trust Wallet official site where you can access the extension. Once on the Trust Wallet page, locate the option to download the extension. Click on the provided link to initiate the download. After the download is complete, follow the prompts to install the extension on your browser. Ensure you are familiar with any permissions the extension may request. After installing the extension, click on the Trust Wallet icon in your browser. This will open the Trust Wallet interface. If prompted, sign into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once you are logged in, look for the fund option on your Trust Wallet dashboard. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. This section will provide you with various funding options for your wallet. Next, select Buy Crypto from the available choices. This action will redirect you to a page where you can purchase different cryptocurrencies. Here, you will be able to see the available options for buying. In the Buy Crypto section, find the search bar, click on it and type Pepe coin to find the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. After typing, press enter to execute the search. When the results appear, locate Pepe coin from the list and click on it. This will open the purchase options for Pepe coin. Review the details to ensure you are selecting the correct cryptocurrency. After selecting Pepe coin, click on the continue button to proceed with your purchase. This action will take you to the payment page where you can finalize your transaction. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as this can affect the transaction process. Upon completion of your purchase, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully bought Pepe coin. Verify your wallet balance to confirm that the coins have been added. It is important to check your available storage in Trust Wallet to ensure that you can accommodate the new coins. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.